At OneSoftDime, we've spent 4 years developing exactly what you need to gain insight into your fitness. More than 10 patents went into our technology, certified in 2 continents already.
We've created a pocket-sized portable device that is super easy to use. It has 98.8% accuracy and give you the same insight as a top-grade fitness equipment. Internal body fat, muscle mass, and body type. Even better, it can give you an advice on nutrition and exercise. And all this directly on your smartphone. Anytime, anywhere.
Do you have a shirt that doesn't fit you quite right? I know I did. Shirts would fit me at the neck and be baggy in the body, but if I bought a smaller shirt, the collar would be too tight. An ill-fitting shirt can make you look sloppy, lethargic, and sometimes like a hot air balloon. Traditional tailoring methods are time-consuming and expensive, but with a zip seam, you can tailor a shirt in under 2 minutes. Let me show you. First, we determine how much we want to trim off each side. For this shirt, it's about ½ inch. Then we'll just place the zip seam ½ inch from the edge of the original seam. Next, we push the fabric in, the channel with any card, and it should slide right in. And we'll just lock the fit into place by inserting this inner piece. Just like that, you're done with one side, and you'll just do the same thing on the other side. Once again, we're gonna place the zip seam ½ inch from the original seam. Push the fabric into the channel. And lock the fit into place by inserting the inner piece. Unlike traditional tailoring methods, the zip seam is adjustable and reusable. And boom, you're done. Let's see how it turned out. Looks pretty good. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment on our social media sites, and we look forward to hearing from you.
GoPro videos are great, but often they're shaky. We wanted to create an affordable and easy-to-use solution that makes GoPro videos look amazing without the shakiness. So we developed ProView G3 for your GoPro. It is compact and lightweight, allowing you to mount it the same way you mount your GoPro. ProView G3 adopts state-of-the-art 3-axis stabilization technology used by the film industry. It can be mounted in upright position on a pole for selfie video, or it can also be mounted in forward position on a chest harness for hands-free first-person video. Or it can be mounted in inverted position, making it possible for near-ground low-angle shooting. Our optional handle accessory turns ProView G3 into a handheld GoPro gimbal. It has a button for mode selection and a joystick to adjust the camera direction. With the latest 4K GoPro camera, imagine what cinematic videos you can proudly share with the world. Our optional cable cam accessory adds another creative dimension to your video recording, a must-have accessory taking GoPro recording to the next level. We went through many iterations of prototype to develop a product optimized for your GoPro camera. We are now ready to bring that prototype to market, and we need your help. Please back us today to bring ProView G3 and amazing cinematic videos that you create to this world.
If you're sitting with poor posture, you're not just creating chronic back pain. You're cutting off circulation of blood, lymphatic fluid, restricting digestion, and creating a true health problem for yourself. The Center for Disease Control confirms it by calling sitting the new smoking. You need to sit correctly, and you need the right chair to do it for you. Introducing the Backstrong Chair, the revolutionary advancement to sitting in health while making yourself stronger. This novel design was created by renowned doctor to celebrities and the Los Angeles Clippers, Dennis Colonello DC of Beverly Hills, and Jim Grove, industrial designer whose reputation at BMW Design Works and LA Design are legendary. The Backstrong Chair was developed with your actual body mechanics in mind. You will sit in comfort, you will sit in motion, and you will virtually eliminate your ability to slouch, hunch, and sit wrong. The Backstrong Chair instantly addresses every issue. First, sit and its saddle hugs your pelvis and gives you lower thoracic support, fitting to your physiology. That gets your hips and pelvis forward, upright, and in an athletic position, putting the natural S-curve in the spine for natural support. Second, the form-fitted back is contoured for an ideal supported sitting position to keep that posture correct. Third is where the unique sit-in-motion technology takes over. Most chairs have stagnant saddles attached to the post under the chair. The Backstrong saddle actually hangs from the arms of the chair and moves with you, like a swing. It attaches precisely in a location that mimics the ball and socket of your hip joint. That allows movement. That means you hunch forward and the chair reacts ergonomically, putting a gentle supportive pressure in the small of your back, and the chair assists with your posture. Lean back, the support increases again, holding that nice S-curve. Lean forward and the support follows you. It even assists you with a supportive push when you get up. Being able to naturally move your pelvis, torso, and back while you sit with great posture encourages muscular stretching, core strength, lymphatic movement, blood flow. The result? Less back pain, more flexibility, and feeling great when you get up without the stiffness. When you sit better, you live better.
Hi, I'm Dennis Colonello, and I created the Backstrong Chair. My patients in Beverly Hills wanted the best, so it frustrated me to send someone home, fully adjusted, out of pain, and then just a week later see them all screwed up again. I knew their office chair was the culprit. Your body was not designed to sit all day. Thanks to modern work, you have to. To be healthy, your body needs dynamic movement for your heart, your digestion, for your nerve tracts, for your skeleton, for your health. This is precisely what the Backstrong Chair does. I work as a team chiropractor in the NBA as part of my practice. This chair places you in a natural athletic position of strength, engaging your core, legs, glutes, back, and abs. It's active sitting you'll feel. To develop it, I led a team that went through literally hundreds of designs, dozens of prototypes, and a myriad of materials. We got this right. I guarantee you, sit in it once and you'll sit in it for life. The Backstrong instantly engages your core, making you sit stronger. What I didn't know when I started this was how much it would cost to develop a chair for all of us who sit more than we wish we had to. Now I need your help to bring it to the world. I've put together a great team, found a great factory, and put all the elements in place. We are ready to make the molds, buy the raw materials, and start making chairs. I want to make sure that every single person can afford to have a Backstrong chair in their office and home. Through this crowdfunding you raise, you'll help us finish the tooling of this design. We'll be able to deliver the chair to you for a fraction of what we thought it would cost and get super premium quality that is built to last. I was shocked by how much people mark up furniture. We are not doing that. We want every tush in America in this chair. In fact, I told my team if we could not sell this chair for the value of 2 visits to my office, we wouldn't do it. Well, we did it, and we're ready. Are you ready to try it? We will deliver the world's most comfortable, supportive, and healthiest chair to you. I look forward to helping you have a healthy body and back, leaving your office every day feeling great. Thank you for supporting Backstrong. I urge you to support this campaign at a level that ensures you can be the first to enjoy sitting in a back-strong chair. We'll be shipping out our first orders within 120 days of the close of this campaign. Sit in health.
Everest conquered, the New Zealander Edmund Hillary got his first mail and congratulatory telegrams from George Lowe, a fellow countryman and expedition colleague. Thus 35 miles from Kathmandu, capital of Nepal, Hillary and Tenzing were welcomed and congratulated by their fellow members of the expedition.